In our work order section, this gives the ability for owners to understand the current ongoing maintenance items for their complex. I'd like to draw your attention to 4 key areas. The first area is the type column. We have 2 main types, jobs in the quoting phase and jobs in the work order phase. The next area is the summary column. This gives us a brief description of the job. Moving through to the status column, we have 4 statuses. They are quote required, quote received, work order in progress, and completed. In the quote required section, this is where we will be canvassing our network of contractors to obtain quotes on your behalf. In the quote received section, this is where we have received the quotes and we've sent it to the executive committee for approval. Once we have received the approval, we move through to the work order in progress. We've selected a contractor and sent out a work order to that contractor. Once the job has been completed and we've received an invoice for the work, we move to the completed stage. In the last of our 4 key areas, we have our search functions at the top. You can search by a work order or quote number. And what I would recommend is using this drop-down box. The drop-down box will show us completed jobs and any other ticket types, such as pending, completed, retrospective.